Abell 3754. Every dot is a galaxy, and it'll break your brain. Look at this image. Every single dot you see, that's not a star, it's a galaxy. Each one contains hundreds of billions of stars, trillions of planets, maybe even civilizations looking back at us. Welcome to Abell 3754, and it's about to break your brain. What are you looking at? Abell 3754 is a galaxy cluster located about 200 million light-years away in the constellation Centaurus. It's a gravitationally bound group of hundreds of galaxies, all held together by the mutual pull of their combined mass. When you look at this image captured by the dark energy camera at Cerro Tololo Inter-American Observatory in Chile, you're seeing one of the universe's largest structures. But here's what makes this image so mind-bending. The field of view is just slightly wider than the full moon as seen from Earth. That tiny patch of sky, a region you could cover with your thumb held at arm's length, contains hundreds of visible galaxies. And beyond those, thousands more, fainter, more distant, stretching back through cosmic time. The scale is incomprehensible. Let's try to wrap our heads around this. Each bright, fuzzy blob in this image is a galaxy. Most of them are elliptical galaxies, massive yellowish collections of hundreds of billions of stars. Some are spiral galaxies like our Milky Way, appearing bluer because they're still actively forming new stars. Our Milky Way galaxy is about 100,000 light-years across and contains roughly 200 billion stars. Now multiply that by hundreds of galaxies in Abell 3754 alone. That's tens of trillions of stars in this one cluster, in this tiny patch of sky. And Abell 3754 isn't even special. It's just one of thousands of galaxy clusters scattered throughout the observable universe. Gravitational dance. What you're seeing isn't static. These galaxies are in motion, orbiting around each other, pulled together by the invisible hand of gravity. But the galaxies themselves only make up a small fraction of the cluster's total mass. Most of the visible mass is in the form of hot, diffuse gas filling the space between galaxies. Gas so hot, it glows only at X-ray wavelengths, invisible to our eyes. And even that isn't the whole story. About 75% of Abell 3754's mass is dark matter, a mysterious, invisible substance that doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light. We can't see it directly, but we know it's there because its gravity holds the cluster together. Without dark matter, galaxy clusters like Abell 3754 would fly apart. The visible galaxies don't have enough mass on their own to generate the gravity needed to keep the cluster bound. Collisions and chaos. Galaxy clusters aren't peaceful places. They're cosmic battlegrounds where galaxies collide, merge, and are torn apart by gravitational forces. Within Abell 3754, some galaxies are interacting, distorting each other's shapes, triggering bursts of star formation, or ripping away streams of stars and gas. The image captured by the dark energy camera shows galaxies like NGC 5291, NGC 5302, and IC 4329, each with unique structures shaped by interactions with their neighbors. One galaxy, NGC 5291, is surrounded by fragments of bluish gas, evidence of a violent past collision that stripped material away and scattered it into space. These interactions happen over millions of years. From our perspective, 200 million light-years away, we're seeing a snapshot, a single frame in a cosmic movie that's been playing for billions of years. The deeper you look, the more you find. And here's the kicker: not every dot in this image belongs to Abell 3754. Some of the galaxies you see are even more distant. Background galaxies that lie far beyond the cluster, their light passing through the cluster on its way to Earth. If you zoomed in with an even more powerful telescope, you'd find galaxies behind those galaxies, and galaxies behind those. The universe doesn't end at Abell 3754. It keeps going, deeper, farther, more galaxies than we can count. Astronomers estimate there are about 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, 2 trillion, each one a city of stars. Abell 3754 is just a neighborhood in that incomprehensibly vast cosmic metropolis, why it matters. Studying galaxy clusters like Abell 3754 helps us understand how the universe evolved. Clusters are the largest gravitationally bound structures in the cosmos. They formed from tiny density fluctuations in the early universe, regions where matter was slightly denser than average, pulling in surrounding material over billions of years. By studying how galaxies behave in clusters, how they interact, and how the cluster's mass is distributed, astronomers can test theories of gravity, dark matter, and cosmic evolution. Abell 3754 is a laboratory, a natural experiment happening on a scale we could never replicate. The existential moment, so look at this image again, every dot a galaxy, hundreds of billions of stars, trillions of planets, and we're just one small world orbiting one ordinary star in one unremarkable galaxy among hundreds in this one cluster. And Abell 3754, it's just one cluster among thousands, a single speck in the cosmic web. It's humbling, it's overwhelming, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, share, and subscribe for more mind-bending space discoveries. And as always, keep looking up.